Okay, we've got a 20 by 20 by 1 dirty air filter. This is the HVAC indoor air handler video. We look up inside of here. I don't know if we can go that far. Let's see if we can flash out on me. I wasn't prepared for that, was I? It's alright. Hang on. I got things to show you. I don't know what the floor looks like. So what does the floor look like underneath there? It's going to have a determination on how I ride through the floor. Okay. One piece of equipment is safe. Put you back. I gotta feel bad doing that. Dirty air filter going back. What I'm looking for is this thing to fit like it's supposed to. Not like it can make a lot of difference. But as long as there's not a register on the bottom, the register comes out of the side, then this should be lined with a metal plate, pan, and I don't know if it was or not. Okay, this is the heater. This is the heater data plate. Okay, it tells us that this thing is about 17 years old. Okay, this equipment's engineered just like the condensing unit outside. It's engineered on paper to last 20 years. It might last 35. The Las Vegas is going to give you 14. This is like 17, 18 years old. It's already done everything we would expect it to do. The condensing unit is missing its data plate, we're going to learn, so it might actually be newer than this. And the reason why I say that is because this unit takes R22 refrigerant, and it's not compatible with the coils outside on the condensing unit. The condensing unit takes R410A, which runs at a much higher pressure. So whatever they're using, something's not working here. All right, these systems appear to be mismatched, incompatible, if you will, and we need a technician to come look at this. And that's what we got with the heater. I'm not seeing a lot of I see some thermal bridging, but I'm not seeing a lot of heat escape. We've got two thermostats, one at the bottom of the stairs, down there, and one at the top of the stairs. And so we're just going to go over here into mode. We're going to go to cool. I don't know which one's the Now code says, and both thermostats are identical. The code says that every single family residence should have at least one programmable thermostat. We don't have that. We got two regular thermostats, demo thermostats. That's what we have. So we do not have a programmable thermostat. Coming along here, we do not have a care and use manual for the furnace. Evaporator coils appear to be original, so evaporator coils again, like the condensing unit, and especially like the heater, the indoor air handler, they've exceeded their economic age. This is the secondary drain line, which is good that we have a secondary. This is our primary drain line for the evaporator coils. Evaporator coil, primary, secondary drain line, evaporator coil, primary drain line. It's not insulated. It should be insulated like this. This is that same insulation that you're going to see outside. The difference is like this is acceptable for an inside application. This would not be acceptable for an exterior application, like you're going to learn in the next video. But this is the evaporator coil primary drain line, and it has a shallow P-track. And I get it. They sell them at the store. They're fast. I get it. I get all that. But most manufacturers do not want a shallow P-track, and they want them insulated. You can see how all the little organic growth, the microbes, the fungi. All molds are fungi, but all fungi are not molds. So I can say it's a fungi. microbial growth. Call it what you will, but we got a shallow P-trap that's not insulated. So what did we learn? We learned we don't have a carrying yeast manual. We learned that we got a dirty air filter. We learned that we might have an incompatible system. We learned that we got a shallow P-trap that's not insulated.